Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to create an account on Reddit. So if you want to create an account on Reddit, what you have to do is first of all just download Reddit app in your mobile. So I have downloaded it. So now open it. So when you open it, you will see like this interface here. So now here you will see three options: sign up with Google, sign up with Apple, sign up with email. So if you want to sign up with your Google ID, you can sign up with that. You can, if you have Apple ID, you can sign up with Apple ID, and if you want to sign up with your email, you can choose any one of them. So I'm going to choose sign up with my Google ID. So click on it. Now choose any one of the emails. Now you will see that my my Reddit account is created. Now I have to information or details about me. What best describes you? Mail. Now click on continue. And now which are you most interested? So carefully choose the topic, because you will get all notifications, all posts related to these things. So I'm going to choose funny, Hollywood, financial and business, cryptocurrency, financials, Bitcoin, investing, like this. And now I'm going to click continue again. Oh, here what we recommend. So like this, you the Reddit will recommend these things. Just click on plus and personal finance like this, and click on continue. So now this is this will be your name forever, so make sure it feels like you. So now just think another name. Now choose any one of the name. So these, now just add, write I'm going to write my name, Shubham 01, taken 77. So now like this you can create your username. Now click on continue. You can but you have to choose a username that's feel like you. Now style your avatar. You can style your avatar, but you can skip it. Click on skip it. So thank you. We are happy you are here. So your account has been created on Reddit. So like this you can create your account on Reddit. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel